This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet for lesson 41 of Learn Scales and Arpeggios for saxophone, in which the 12 diminished seventh arpeggios are presented with guidance about fingering. You will need to use the worksheet, which provides useful reference when learning them, but you should aim to play them from memory at the very earliest possible stage. This video will not cover all that is required by itself. A diminished seventh is not in any key and is more akin to the chromatic scale, as every step is the same interval, 3 semitones. There are really only 3 diminished sevenths in all of music, but you need to be able to start them on any note. So the 12 arpeggios have been organised into 3 categories. Category 1 comprises the notes B flat, C sharp, E and G. Here are the 4 diminished sevenths starting on those notes. Category 2 comprises B, D, F and G sharp. Here they are. Category 3 comprises C, E flat, F sharp and A. Practice Plan 41 lists just the 12 sequences, but each sequence should now consist of the major scale, both minor scales, major and minor arpeggios, the dominant seventh and diminished seventh starting on the note in question, and the chromatic scale. As an example, here is the full B flat sequence. The practice plan looks short, but includes everything you have done so far. By now, you should be able to play everything correctly at the first attempt, but be prepared to play an item several times if you make a mistake.